I'm going to bring in a dark fiber metro network where we contract long-term with carriers to get dark fiber connecting Lawn 5 to Lawn 3, Lawn 3 to Telehouse West, one of the pops in the Docklands, and then Telehouse West back to Lawn 5. So we're creating a ring or a triangle. That gives us enormous scale on our network, that rather than buying individual 10 gig circuits from providers, we just change some of the equipment that we're lighting it with, just add some capacity, and we can scale that up enormously. Traditionally, we have used copper circuits within the data center on the various networks to connect all of the networking devices together. We're now moving to using fiber connectivity within the data center itself. The advantage of that is that it provides a greater scale, so we'll be aiming to provide 10 gig to the top of the rack, and we're also aiming to collapse some of the networks again. That provides cost efficiencies and obviously fewer devices to have to manage. We are just buying the fiber itself, 2 pairs of fiber, and then we have to add the equipment on the end of it that's going to light it. And that differs insofar as that if you buy a managed or a lit service, you're going to the carrier, they're using their equipment to light it, and you're sharing the fiber with other customers. With the dark fiber, we control that fiber. We can change the equipment, add more waves on it, and therefore we get huge amounts of capacity out of that pair of fiber. The network ring we're going to put in place won't be used just to send the traffic out to the internet and receive the inbound traffic. It's also going to be used to provide services between Lawn 3 and Lawn 5. Customers will use that for cloud servers, they want to use CBS. They could be in 2 different data centers. You could have the servers in Lawn 5 and CBS in Lawn 3. And when they need to talk to each other, they use the dark fiber to be able to communicate. And that's why dark fiber is so critical. We need that ability to scale to cope with the demands that cloud brings to the network.